Hey, what's up guys? This is Tone here with another speed art video. So this one's an advertisement for peanut butter M&Ms, and I think it turned out pretty good. I think I could have done a little bit better maybe on the cracked M&M effect, but overall I think it's pretty good design. And this is the first one in a few videos that isn't a square, and you'll see that's just because I wanted to fit the whole yellow M&M in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and peace out. Like, subscribe, comment below. Hey, come on now, man. I see you getting bored. You got this, bro. Just keep watching.
Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch pushing on curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch pushing on curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. I don't wanna talk, gotta listen. Diamonds on me drip, I'm wishing, wow. Don't know what you seen in me, girl. You was my all, you believed in me, girl. First day we spent was no real to me, girl. Next time I promise to give you the world. Diamonds be shining, you dripping in pearls. Girl, I ain't lying, you know you my world. Girl, I can't pass up on my love. Addicted to you like a drug. Hoping that this is enough. Running to you, you the one. Running to you, you the one. Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch pushing on curving.